Hey, what's up, YouTube friends? So today we're working on Mr. Ty's Honda 110. Is it an F?
110F.
110F. It's a 23 model, and we pulled all the factory graphics off of it. And then we're going to put Candice's wet setting a aftermarket graphics kit, and we're going to put graphics all over this bike, make it look sharp.
Give y'all a little before and after.
A little before and after. How
and have a happy kid.
Have a happy kid with a graphics kit he has just been begging and begging and begging for. So this is where you take your time. This is the beauty of wet set. If it's not right where you want it, you can move it around. And then you squeegee it out, which means push the water out behind the film and the plastic of the fender. So she is squaring it up in the center. I like your shirt. Size matters, she says, guys, when it comes to bullets.
Don't let the ladies lie to you.
Yeah, I almost forgot something.
All right.
I'll start pushing it down, okay?
So we lift the decal up a little bit, and we're gonna work one side at a time, basically. And it kind of stretches that vinyl a little bit, which makes it lay and stick on that plastic really well. No air bubbles will be in there. It won't lift back off. Again, be careful with your heat. See, she just pulled that heat off. It's getting a little warm. She feels it getting warm.
Yeah, it's getting too soft.
And you feel that vinyl, it'll start getting kind of limber and soft, and it's right where you want it to be. It activates that glue, and it allows that vinyl to bend over and lay over real well and easy. Makes your application on those hard turns a lot easier to do. Yeah, slow and easy. Just take your time and do it right.
90% on.
There you go. So heating that vinyl up makes it apply real easy.
I don't know real easy, but it helps.
Makes it mold and contour a lot better, right?
Yes, it sure does.
There you go. Hey, at least your fingernails look good for the video. Look at there, guys. That is laid down. That is slick.
That's always a plus.
All right. And let that cool, and it is done. Okay, we're going to do the front. He put a little water on there. A little water on the back of the decal.
Number 22.
Number 22. 22.
Time in. Don't mess with my tutu.
Oh, my goodness. Somebody slept good last night.
Don't mess with me.
Check your edges, check the center. This one's got a little bend in it too. We'll probably use the heat gun on this one a little bit too also. Lay it on there nice. Makes the bike look totally different, doesn't it?
Yeah, pretty cool.
They're great little bikes. Honda makes good little bikes. Of course the other manufacturers do too, but
Not like Honda.
Honda's been around a long time. They got a lot of money.
They tried and true.
The red, white, and blue. Setting good?
Great.
Good deal. It's really good. Nice fit. So also what she's doing is heating this bottom of the decal because it rolls over a little bit. And that heat can really loosen that vinyl up and make it contour very nicely. Just remember to control your heat. Don't get it too hot and melt the decal. That's why she keeps her thumb kind of between the decal and the heat gun. She can feel how hot it's getting.
Now y'all don't come calling and asking me to come put y'all's decals on. That's why we're
Yeah,
doing these videos. So we're gonna teach y'all how to put your own on.
Yeah. But I mean, the offer's there if you want to come
Unless you
see.
got, you know.
If you want to come see us, we could definitely work something out.
Yeah.
We're always working for
Just a joke.
a little extra something here and there. Now she's rolling that top edge. Made to fit. Looks so good, guys. You can get these heat guns off Amazon. You can get them at Home Depot or Lowe's. If you don't have one, they're not too expensive. You can get some cheapies for like 20 bucks, or you can get the Milwaukee's that are they run anywhere between 90 to 100 to $115. Just depends on how hot they get. But for something small like this, you don't have to have nothing real expensive. If you don't have a heat gun, you can get one pretty cheap. Just a quick tip: if you have an older bike that has scratches on the plastic, right there, got a little scratch. You can take some 1000 grit or 800 grit sandpaper and wet sand those rough areas out. That way it won't show up on the sticker when you put it on. Because if you don't sand that off or get that smooth, it's going to show up on your decal.
Good job. That would have been a mess too if there was no soup involved, huh?
See how she's working at the high point on the bend, the contour, and then pushes it towards the outside. You'll keep that water away. And we're going to come back with a heat gun and relax this decal a little bit and lay it in there nice and flat.
Something was under there. Still really wet up under here too.
Sometimes when it don't stick, like right there, just having a little trouble.
Slowly work it out and keep getting the water out. It'll eventually come out. You just got to keep working it. And not too much heat, because too much heat makes it too soft. And y'all saw earlier that what will happen is that the plastic will get so soft that it'll try to fold over itself and it'll leave a crease. So whenever you feel like you're almost about to get a crease, if you have heated it up too much, just get away from that area for a minute. Give it a second, let it cool back down, and come back, and it's almost instant that you can lay it back down.
Yeah. So this back sticker is a little intricate. It's got a lot of curves and offsets and rolling offsets, and what she's doing, she's finding her center on everything. And remember, we work from the center out, so she's finding the center on everything here. And when she finds the center and it all looks good, then she'll start working her way out to the outside. So this one's a little difficult, but a little bit of heat, a little finesse, it'll go. Just take your time with them. All right, so she found center, laid the decal over left and the right of center line. Now she's using heat. Start working them wrinkles out. Pushing the extra water out behind it.
And that one piece it's just that top piece that's getting really hard.
It's always really tough right here, I've noticed.
A lot of different bends and angles.
Yeah, it's not that easy. And this one ain't gonna want to lay just right. I got to really mess with it right here. A little tough. We'll get it though. That looks good. That was real good.
That laid in there perfect, didn't it?
Yeah, it really did. Second time was definitely much easier.
Yeah.
Now we have to do this.
Okay, I'm just going on the side.
Yes.
That's easy. You want to do this one? You want to learn? Okay, don't let him touch. Watch this. Right here, we're going to squirt it. We ain't going to take no chances. There you go. You slide it around wherever you feel like it needs to go.
I like it right there.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There you go. That looks good.
All right, bro. There you be. Make it happen.
Make it so easy with it.
There you go. You can push on it a little bit. Once you've got it laid, you just gotta hold it, you know, so it doesn't try to run down.
All right, guys. Well, Miss Candice and Ty has officially relabeled this bike with the new graphics kit. I'll let Candice talk to you about it. She can tell you more about detail on what areas were easy, what areas were hard, and the importance of having a heat gun. So let's...
Yeah, absolutely. So, hey YouTube, it's Candice here. Ty, Trent helped me. I wasn't the only one doing this project, but Ty came over today, had a new graphics kit, and it was on his new dirt bike. So he was super excited, could not hardly wait. So we busted out the soapy water and the heat gun and the squeegee and got to work. It was a fun project. The very front and the back were cake. This was cake. When we got to the sides, we had to really start getting busy with the heat gun, really working our edges and slowly applying that heat. We found that if we put too much heat too fast, it would try to crease. And if we didn't put enough, then we weren't getting the outcome that we wanted. But all in all, it turned out great. We got his There's little numbers on here, front, back, side, and made one little boy really happy.
Yes, guys, this is about a year-old bike, but you know, as you keep them looking good, they stay looking nice for a long time, and you can customize with your own little graphics kits like Ty wanted to do on here. And Candice used to label beer trucks a whole lot, big graphics, so knowing how vinyl reacts and how it works with heat and how to stretch it, it makes a big difference on your job. It looks really good. Man, what a difference it makes. So, all right, guys, hopefully you liked the video.
Ty's about to get on it and drive 5 miles an hour faster.
Yeah, he made his bike go 5 miles an hour faster just by adding decals to it, right? Well, buddy, give us a thumbs up, and Candice, we'll appreciate all your help.
Of course.
And that's safety first, wear that helmet. So, guys, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
Cool, man.